Because a little bug went Choo! By Rosetta Stone, illustrated by Michael Frith. You may not believe it, but here's how it happened. One fine summer morning, a little bug sneezed. Ka-choo! Because of that sneeze, a little seed dropped right there. Whee! Because that seed dropped, a worm got hit. Because he got hit, that worm got mad. Grrr. What was that? Who threw that seed on top of my head? Because he got mad, he kicked a tree. Yeah, I am so mad. Yeah. Because of that kick, a coconut dropped. Because that nut dropped, a turtle got pop. Ouch! Because he got bop, that turtle named Jake fell on his back with a splash in the lake. Because of that splash, a hen got wet. Because she got wet, that hen got mad. What is that? I am so wet now. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Because she got mad, that hen kicked a bucket. Yeah. Because of that kick, the bucket went up. Because it went up, the bucket came down.
Mama, is that awake in the turtle?
Yes, that's a turtle, that's the lake, and this is the hen. And the hen kicked the bucket and it went up. Go inside the house. Because it came down, it hit Farmer Brown. It gets stuck on his head, and that bucket got stuck on his head. Because it got stuck, Farmer Brown phoned for help. Hello? Please help me. There's a bucket on my head. My wife cannot take it off. Help me, please. I cannot see anything. Because of his phone call, policemen came speeding. Vroom, 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 vroom. Wee, 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 wee,
It's
wee.
gonna go like that.
Yeah, and they drive so fast. Policemen came speeding. Because they were speeding, or they're so fast, they hit a big stone.
And that one fly away.
Yeah, and so one policeman flew up all alone. Wow, why am I up in the air? Says the policeman. Because he flew up, he had to come down. Whee!
And he's gonna come down on the Maui's boat.
And because he came down on the boat, Mary Lou, and because he hit hard, he went right on through. Bump! He made a big hole in the boat, Mary Lou. Because of that hole, the boat started to sink. Whoa, 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 what is happening? Oh, the boat is sinking. And because it was sinking, well, what do you think? Everyone started to yelp, help us, help us. And Mrs. Brown called on the phone for more help. Hello, I need help. The boat is sinking and my husband is stuck on the bucket. Help, please help. Because of her phone call, more help came fast. Look, they're riding a helicopter. They tied a strong rope to the Mary Lou's mast. And because of that rope, the boat didn't go down, but it had to be fixed. So they started for town. They all went to town. And because they went there, it's true, I'm afraid, they ran right into a circus parade. There's a giraffe, there's a clown,
Mama, and the balloon.
there's balloon, there's a trumpet.
And also,
And that started something they'll never forget.
Mama, what is that?
I think that's a bee. And as far as I know, it is going on yet. What? And that's that's how it happened. Believe me, it's true. Just because a small bug went ka-choo.
It says cartoon.
All done.
It says